we are back with another budget meeting. This meeting is for February, for the first budget meeting. So to go over kind of the overview of the month and to talk about how things went in January. So let's get started. So we're gonna do things a little bit differently for this month's budget meeting. In our last FPU class, Rachel Cruz talks about doing the budget meeting and having the nerd come up with the budget and then having the free spirit review the budget and make at least one change. She says one, I say I add the at least because I'm the nerd and you know, it's just how we do things. So that's what I have done. I have kind of gone over the plan for the month of February and I put in all of our numbers into every dollar, and my hubby will review those numbers and make one change. And we're also, before we do that, we're also going to talk about what we did well in January and what our goals are for February. So that's the part that we're going to do now, and then we'll come together and talk about everything in the budget. And Elias is just going to eat my hair. And then we'll come together and talk about the budget as a whole and how we both feel about it. And we'll go from there. That'll be the end of the meeting. So it should be pretty quick, I think. Hopefully. Yeah. So let's get started with, what did we do well in January? I feel like I'm yelling. Sorry. Wait, I put January here, right? I always do it wrong. Yes. Okay.
Is that good?
It's great, Dad. Okay.
So, things we did well. We stuck to our goal of not eating out.
Yes, we did. Yay! What else did we do well?
We also sold things
I'm sorry.
that we weren't using anymore.
Yes, we did.
To try to pay off more of our debt.
Yes. Sold things. Yes. Around the house, and we made $220 from that. That was good. So, things we could improve on. Do you have any more things that we did well?
Not that I could remember. I think those were the two that stood out the most. I think that we did pretty good on.
Yeah, me too. So things we can improve on. I feel like I have a laundry list as usual.
Okay, you could go for it.
Number one is the grocery budget, because I always fail. I always fail at the grocery budget, and I don't want to do that anymore. So I used to fail at the grocery budget, but starting this month, it's going to be right on track.
There you go.
Yes. Positive thinking, positive associations. Yes. Grocery budget. I feel like also, I'm just like the spender. I'm the nerd, but I'm also the spender, which is just like not a fair combination at all. You're gonna eat the binder? Okay.
Mom to get stuck between them.
I know. So I feel like, I just feel like tracking needs to be better, and I think if we just start that's the cap, the every dollar plus.
Yes.
Yes.
I was going to tell you that.
Yes.
Something that we could improve on is to really track our spending.
Yes.
Every dollar we're at.
Okay.
Since we have that tool, we should utilize it and not just have it on our phone.
Yeah.
And that way we'll be able to see how much we are spending.
So starting every dollar plus.
And I feel like it'd be easy for me because I always ask if I could buy something or how much we have left in some budgets. And now that we do it through every dollar, I'll be able to just check every category and I can know.
Yeah. Okay, so let's talk about our goals for the month. My goal, I think one thing that I want to do, not only to like get us back on track with like spending cash, but to kind of control like the excess spending, is to leave my debit card at home, which is really scary. Yikes! Me too, that's what I'm saying. Ooh. But honestly, like, really thinking about it, I don't need it.
Yeah.
You know, I take my food for lunch.
Yeah.
You know, I'll have like my personal spending money, and you know, the only thing that I should be using my debit card for is gas.
Yeah.
That's the only thing that we don't use, that we, or, you know, haven't been using cash for. So if I have that and don't have my debit card, then I can't just like
spend.
Yeah, just like have a random Target spree and spend random money at lunch at Target.
Yeah.
So there's that for me. I think with that also is just like restarting our cash envelopes. Okay. Can we do the fast food challenge again? Okay. You're not a fan. So what if we say fast food? Well, I mean, number one, it has to come out of our eating out budget, right? So if we just put a cap on our eating out budget,
Because I want some McDonald's fries.
do you really?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you can get McDonald's fries with your personal money too.
That's true. But I guess yes, that will be a good goal to continue to try to eat food here and not spend money.
Yeah. I honestly though, I think I'm gonna want a Chick-fil-A
Yeah.
date at some point.
Yes.
So eating out.
How about we could only eat out once a month?
Limit. Can we say twice a month? Once a pay period?
Okay.
Okay. I can't write the rest. Can you write month?
I don't know what you're trying to do here.
Just month. A month, yeah. And then I think another goal, since we've been doing pretty well with selling stuff, is to try to make $300 in selling stuff. I think we have enough stuff still that we need to sell. And like if we get the couches sold and like one other item, that would be like it. The couches are just like a little bit hard.
Yeah.
So it's been a little tough to get them sold, but
Well, I could put it online as well.
oh, that's a good idea. So it can be
Double.
yeah. So we think that's good, right? 3 goals. Okay. I think that's good. I kind of prepped our the budget in every dollar already. So I put in like the things that are like kind of irregular that are happening this month. So I'm going to give this to you so you can look it over and hopefully entertain him for a few minutes.
Okay. What's weekly shop? Is that just a for groceries or stuff like that?
I'm sorry, is it what?
Like for groceries or
Yes.
household? So weekly shop, is that more outside of Sam's?
Yeah, so the idea is that we'll do like a Sam's Club shop and we'll get like pretty much most of the stuff that we need for the month, but things like fresh fruits and veggies, like bread if we need them, milk, creamer, because I buy creamer like every week, will come from the weekly shop. So I think I did $30 a week, so that is the goal, because we shouldn't have to buy like a bunch of extra stuff. So I'm trying to get better at like the meal prepping or meal planning, so that when we go to Sam's Club we get what we need, and we don't end up with a bunch of excess. And we do still have some freezer meals saved up still.
We got that burrito bowl.
Yeah. Yes, we do.
That's a good one. Something I always tell you, but I don't know if you necessarily always like it or not.
Uh-oh, I know what you're gonna say. You can't, because you want McDonald's french fries.
I know, but but I will be good and not want that. And then if I have to, I'll just ask someone if they want to meet there.
The worst.
But I personally never use my personal money. I feel like every month.
So do you want to do less? I feel
that's
like
what I
you
was
should
thinking.
still get
Yeah,
some.
that's
I
what
feel
I was
like it's
thinking.
not fair for you to get some.
Just
I'll
do
take the excess.
No.
That's the change you're gonna make. Woo!
No, I want to put it towards that. But I was thinking, because I thought this was per pay period it is for the month.
Uh-huh.
But I was thinking about doing half of mine, just doing 25. And then 25 for you? No.
25 for a month. 25 for a month. Yeah.
But I think that's the change that I want. Because
Okay.
when, you tell me, when was the last time I really used all my...
I don't think you've ever used your personal money.
So
I used half of yours last too. you told me to.
I did. I gave you permission. But since I'm not spending it, I would rather have it go towards our debt.
Okay.
So that we can pay it, not
I guess
pay off
that's
after.
fair.
But yeah, just because I never use it and I never really want anything.
Yeah.
So.
Okay. Do it.
But I'll do half.
Okay.
So that you don't feel like you're only getting.
See if it's 0 at the top. Nice. All right, you made a change. Good job. Yeah. Let me write it down. Although I think that's kind of cheating because that was your.
I know, but other than that, well, what I was thinking, but you probably would not like this, is getting rid of our pest control people.
Oh no, but I would get rid of the security system.
Do we say that or something? I thought we.
Did you see it?
Yeah. Okay.
Do you want to do that?
I mean, I think we had agreed on this a few months ago.
Yeah. So that's good. So, good job. That would be an extra amount to go towards that.
Yeah.
Nice. Cool. So how do you feel about the rest of the budget? I know there's a couple of like irregular things that we have coming up this month. My car registration, which is $239. It's in there.
Yeah, I saw it. I forgot.
Yeah, so it'll come out of our sinking fund, so that's not from like our spending money, which is good. And what else?
The massages, is that the same number that was last month, or?
I think roughly. Yeah. Are you concerned that's going to be different?
Maybe for February.
Okay.
I just feel like just because I don't know where some of my clients, well, one client is. I don't know if he'll be doing it regularly as he was.
Okay.
I just don't want.
Well, it's more that just goes towards our debt payment, so if it's different, and then hopefully the
You mad? Yeah.
hopefully with selling more stuff that it will even out. Yeah, it'll balance out.
Okay.
In general. Me.
Cool.
So yeah, I think that's good.
Yeah.
Cool. I don't think there's anything else. The only other thing that we should kind of talk about is Valentine's Day, because it is this week, or this month.
We ain't got time for that.
Ain't nobody got money for that. Ain't nobody got money for that. All right.
We gotta live.
Done and
Like
done.
no one. So we could live like no one else later.
Yep.
Or we could check.
Oh, we can use our gift cards. What were you gonna say?
Yep.
Oh.
Okay, so we can check out what gift cards we have, and
Yeah.
I know we still have a Chili's.
That's a good idea. And we have movie gift cards too.
Yeah.
Tickets. Great thinking. Oh yeah, that. And we get free babysitting.
Yeah, we do.
And free babysitting. Free babysitting. Say what sister got. Cool.
So
Is
just
there
to make
anything else?
sure we're not gonna buy ourselves gifts on Valentine's.
Okay. So we were just discussing Valentine's Day.
Yes.
Right? So, gifts, right? Not getting gifts for each other. Okay, so, I know I hesitate to, like, put that practice of not getting gifts into place because I feel like it can easily become a habit and then we just, like, stop getting gifts for each other for anything ever. And we want to have, like, the romance in our marriage. And, you know, my love language is gifts, so that's also another thing. What if we do, like, a small amount? We could do, like, $10. And I feel like that we could get, like, a really... If we get creative, I think we can do a nice gift. Okay, cool. So $10 for Valentine's Day. I'm just gonna and we'll just take out the cash so that we can use it. Okay, so I think that's it. The only other thing I can think of is Teddy's birthday. I know. We don't have anything allocated to go towards gifts for our sinking funds right now. But we could do what? I mean, obviously we don't want to like nickel and dime ourselves to death and get to the point where like we're not putting anything towards our debt.
But I kind of also don't want us to feel obligated that we have to get gifts for family. Obviously right now we should be focused on our family, making sure that our future is going to be settled. Obviously this is not going to be a every year type of situation. Obviously when we're in that position that we're debt free, we'll be able to give gifts like crazy and not really put a limit and really bless them as much as we can. And obviously we knew coming into doing this process that sometimes it wasn't going to be extravagant gifts or...
I just noticed your car payment isn't even on here.
Oh.
Or my car payment isn't on here. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Well then. Cool. Cool.
So let's not do gifts.
Oh my gosh. All right. No gifts.
And obviously it's
Our presence.
is the present.
All right. Well,
we gave them Bubba. We gave them
Bubba.
a nephew, a cousin. They're A-okay.
He's agreeing with you. Oh man. What a bummer. All right. Well, I mean, one reason it's like this is because our PG&E bill is higher than usual. Okay. All right, so it's pretty tight, but it is what it is. Let's do it.
Let's.
Done. Okay. Let's get the baby.
Yeah. You guys need to up my budget. More milk.
Elias needs more personal
toys.
money.
This hair needs some good product.
Good.
Could
Yeah.
three more.
Yeah. Point made. Done. Okay, so. All right, how about...
Yeah, I want